Hey folks, some of you have been asking, how do I track my reading on Goodreads? So I thought I'd make this video to show you how it's done. I also want to talk about how to make reading happen more often while you're at home. So there's a short podcast from NPR's Life Kit called How to Focus While Reading. There's also another one called How to Read More Books. So I'll link those here for you. The first tip I took from these is that reading is dear. Drop everything and read. You have to pencil out time in your day to read. 30 minutes in the morning as soon as you get up, maybe an hour after lunch. You just have to pick the time, but remember to drop everything else. Homework, Instagram, Animal Crossing. Avoid comparing what you're reading to what you could be doing instead. Like, don't ask, should I be rereading Harry Potter when I have AP Calc to study for? No, don't think of that question. Just make reading dear. Drop everything and read. What's important is that you're reading and you're focusing on that reading. Next, try to find a couple books to read at the same time. Something to choose between depending on what mood you're in. Maybe one hard book and then something lighter. You could also add an audiobook into the mix as well. So this way you'll be more inclined to read no matter what mood you're in. Remember, everyone has different reading skills and interests, so a book that you choose may not be a good choice for someone else. So don't compare yourself in that way. Just try to find what feels right for you and then have some options to pick from. Okay, so how do you track your reading? The first way is Goodreads. So that's a website that allows you to keep track of your current progress. It's essentially a social network for book readers. Let's go to goodreads.com. And then after logging in, you should be able to see your currently reading books on the left side here. Just go ahead and click Update Progress, and then you get the same dialog you would get in the app. If you want to add a book to your list, navigate to the book on Goodreads, and then look for the drop-down box where it says Currently Reading. You click it, and it will add to your currently reading list. Then, back on the home page, you should be able to update your progress as you work through the book. I like tracking my reading because it motivates me to read for longer and to return to my books more often. I also use 2 bookmarks when I'm reading to set little mini goals as I read. So I might place a bookmark where I plan to stop and then see how long it takes me to reach that page. I find it satisfying to look at the side of the book and see how many pages I tackled today. Then maybe make a prediction about when I might finish the book. It just helps you track your reading as you go. Think of tracking your reading kind of like a step counter or a Fitbit. It's nice to see how far you got and get a sense of accomplishment from that. I like these Nintendo step trackers because they don't chide you for being lazy. Each day is a new day, so you get to start with a smile on your face, even though the score says 0. But this is reading, so the point here is to exercise your brain. You can even try listening to an audiobook while going for a walk. Maybe check out the Libby app from your local library. There's tons of great audiobooks on here. I might read that one. Thanks for watching my video. I am having fun making these, so please leave any comments or questions you have below, and I'll see you on the next one.